Seagate IronWolf Pro 30 terabytes. Beast mode in NAS drive or data disaster waiting? Ever felt like your storage is working against you? Endless file errors, RAID rebuilds that take eons, or NAS base choking under pressure? That sinking feeling when your archive vanishes mid-project, leaving you stranded. It's not just lost data, it's lost time, focus, and momentum. You're left frustrated, stuck, and wondering why Pro Tools feel like dead weight. Now pile on looming deadlines, pressure from clients, and the constant stress of multi-terabyte projects stacking higher. Every lag spike, every corrupted file, every stalled backup bleeds minutes you don't have. Burnout creeps in. Opportunities slip by. Suddenly your enterprise storage feels like an expensive bottleneck, draining your energy instead of fueling your creative or business edge. Enter the Seagate IronWolf Pro 30 terabytes, ST30000NT011, your breakthrough weapon against storage chaos. With an industry-leading 30 terabytes in a single 3.5-inch drive, it crushes capacity limits and simplifies sprawling archives. Powered by CMR technology, 7,200 RPM, and a massive 512 megabytes cache, it delivers enterprise-class speed and consistency across RAID arrays and multi-user NAS. AgileArray tech with RV sensors keeps performance stable even in dense enclosures, while IronWolf Health Management proactively protects data with smart monitoring. Rated for 550 terabytes per year workloads and backed by 2.5 million hour MTBF plus 5-year warranty, it's engineered for true 24/7 operation. And when disaster strikes, you've got 3 years of rescue data recovery services, already included. Picture this. One studio swapped old drives for IronWolf Pro 30 terabytes and instantly doubled retention while cutting rebuild times in half. Another IT team condensed racks of drives into one streamlined array, freeing budget and space without losing performance. This isn't just storage, it's liberation. What does the IronWolf Pro 30 terabytes actually unlock? Clarity, focus, and unshakable reliability. Analysts hail it as a capacity milestone reshaping enterprise NAS architecture. Influencers rave, our 24-bay build streamed multiple 4K projects without a hiccup. Integrators love its simplicity, we cut drive counts in half, reduced vibration headaches, and still delivered flawless RAID performance. And users? One IT manager said, we collapsed multiple arrays into a single NAS, backups finished faster, maintenance dropped. A video editor shared, we now cut directly from 8K archives without stutter, it feels like freedom. Another studio praised, the recovery service literally saved months of footage, we can't imagine buying without it. The combination of 30 terabytes density, enterprise RAID tuning, CMR predictability, and proactive health management makes this drive a quiet powerhouse. It doesn't just hold data, it protects it, streamlines workflows, and fuels productivity. Could you risk using cheap desktop drives instead? Sure. But when deadlines, clients, and reputations are on the line, would you? That's why businesses, creators, and IT teams swear by IronWolf Pro. It's not hype, it's insurance for your future. Don't wait until your NAS crashes mid-project. Stock is limited, and these 30 terabytes IronWolf Pro drives move fast among pros who know the stakes. Join thousands of businesses, creators, and IT leaders already streamlining archives and protecting data with confidence. Act now, secure your edge, simplify your workflow, and never gamble with your lifeline storage again. This isn't just a hard drive, it's your shield, your freedom, your win.